Yo, what is going on, everybody? Who wants to start earning some passive income and making money literally doing absolutely nothing? I'm going to share with you 3 different applications today that I learned about doing some research that are 100% legit that you can install on your smart device today. We're talking about tablets, smartphones, any device that you can install Android applications and iOS applications on to start earning passive income that literally run completely on autopilot and require you to do absolutely nothing to start making money online. I know everyone's always asking, how can I make money online? And a lot of people, they fall short because they don't want to put any action or take any action to actually get any monetary gain. So all you have to do with this is just install these apps. It doesn't get simpler than that. The third application that I'm going to show you today, you can actually earn up to $600 in a year with this one single application. And I'm also going to share with you my #1 secret for making money online. This is a real online business. This is how I got started making money online, you guys. It took me 15 years to figure this out. And I'm going to show you in this 10-minute or 15-minute video how you can get started and scale a real online business and create some real life-changing income. So if that gets you excited, then stick with me through this entire video. Let's get started. Alrighty, you guys, are you ready to start making some money for literally doing absolutely nothing? If so, make sure that you let me know down in the comments. Type "make money online." Let me know where you're from. Ask questions, whatever you like. Make sure that you drop a comment. Make sure that you share this video. Make sure that you smash that like button if you find any valuable content. Like this video, guys. I appreciate all the love. It really helps me out. It helps to grow my channel. It helps to get this information out to as many people as possible so that we can put money in their pockets as well. So thank you for everything that you do to help grow this channel and just, support me. I enjoy teaching you how you can make money online and saving you as much time as possible. So without further ado, like I said, let's get straight into this video. The name of the application that you're going to want to be at today first, you guys, and you're going to want to make sure that you stick with me through this entire video. Don't skip ahead. Don't miss any of the steps, because that way you can maximize your earnings. I have some little tips and tricks in here that I'm going to be talking about that you do not want to miss, especially the last thing that I'm going to be talking about, a really, really cool app that you can earn up to $600 a year, literally. And that one works on Android and iOS devices. These first 2 apps, they're only Android apps. So don't get disappointed if you only have an iOS, smart device, such as a smartphone or a tablet, because at the end, I'm going to show you how you can use that iOS device and earn up to $600 a year. And you don't want to miss my #1 money-making secret that I'm going to be sharing with you. And if you want to skip ahead, if you want to cheat, check it out down in the description, you guys. I've left that down there. It's my #1 recommendation to make money online. And I'm not going to get too much into it right there because I want to talk about it at the end, and I want to captivate you through this entire video. So let's get started. Just like I said, moving into this first application, you guys, we're going to be talking about this app right here called Cash Magnet. Now, I've installed this on my phone. I've tested it out. Everything that I recommend to you on this channel, I've tested. I highly recommend it. I trust it. And this one right here is really, really cool. Like I said, all of these apps, literally you install and you're going to get paid literally for doing absolutely nothing. What you see right here is that you're going to be getting money on your Android phone. They pay you for every minute of time when you do nothing. So literally whenever you're not using your phone, you want to have this application running. It has a button that says basically like start now. You're going to click that. And while you're sleeping, literally while you're sleeping, that's actually what they recommend when to use this app, when to actually have this application running, because it's going to be running and actually generating an income for you in the background. They have one of the largest payments because Cash Magnet unites all of the best reward programs into one single place. So they go to all these different reward programs, they unite them, and this is how they're generating the income to actually pay you. You do not need to perform any tasks, watch any ads, play any games. Earnings will come in absolutely autonomous and passive. So literally, you guys, doing absolutely nothing at all. This is not a joke. This is not a scam. It works. Give it a try. Check it out. You can read through here. They have a bunch of great information. Like they say right here, it's absolutely safe. They guarantee that your data and personal settings will not be used in any way. You can come check it out on the Google Play Store. they pay out, you guys, in PayPal cash. You get Amazon cash. You can get iTunes gift cards, Xbox gift cards, PlayStation gift cards, Google Play Google Play Store money as well. This is how you can, actually spend all this money that you're going to be earning on this application. I do want to give you a small disclaimer. You're not going to get rich with these applications, okay? It's going to be a little extra side cash that you can go out, buy some gifts, buy some food, whatever it is, clothes, whatever you need. You'll earn a little extra income, but you're not going to get rich. But I will tell you at the very end, if you stick with me, I'm going to share with you my number one secret, literally, of how I got started and how you can make a real significant amount of money online. So stick with me till the very end. If you have any more questions about this app right here, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page, and I'll leave links to these websites right here, you guys. None of them for these websites are going to be affiliate links, so I'm not going to get paid for any of these. I just want to provide you some educational value and teach you how you can make passive income, literally, for doing nothing. I will have my own affiliate link in there, but none with these applications right here. So come down here, check out all these different frequently asked questions. They answer all of your questions very thoroughly, and they spend a lot of time, creating all this content for you so that there is no confusion and you can maximize your potential with this one single application. Alrighty, my friends, moving right along here, as promised, the second application, you guys, and make sure, like I said, that you're sticking with me through this entire video, because the next application that I'm going to show you, you're going to make up to $600 in a year with that application. But this one right here, you guys, is called Money SMS. It's the Money SMS app. I'll leave a link down to the description as this one as well. I'll bring you to this web page. You can download the APK right here. You can learn more about it. But basically, in a nutshell, what is happening right here is that you're going to be making money. Money SMS is a free Android app which allows you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS, so basically text messages generated by their system and their customers. And the reason that they're doing this is so that they can actually improve the delivery of SMS messages to their customers. So the messages that you're going to be receiving have no advertisements or anything like that. It's usually just random characters of data. They're not going to be reading your personal data, anything like that. You can completely ignore these messages. They're completely just for tests so that they can improve their services. You can come through here and read about it and learn more and more about it. But like I said, it's literally a free Android app which allows you to make money online automatically, passively, literally for doing nothing, just for receiving messages on your SMS devices. It works on Android, you guys. It does not work on iOS, not this application that we're talking about right here, but it works on all Android devices. It's a great way to start making money online. You just need to install the app. You're going to start getting paid, making money online, and receiving SMS text messages. It's secure. The app, like I said, does not read any of your private messages or use any of your data. We read only their own text messages. It says that right there at the bottom. It's completely automatic. You earn money with this app passively, just like I said, without any active action required from your side. And oh, by the way, you guys, I really wanted to make this video because a lot of people struggle with making money online because they don't take any action. And the secret to success, you guys, the secret to success is literally just taking action, massive action at whatever it is that you want to be successful at, and just never quitting and just staying the route. But I wanted people to be able to get their feet wet and start making money online literally for just installing some applications. It does not get any better than that. They have a great referral program as well. As soon as you install this application, you see how easy it is. You can take that referral link, blast it out on social media. It's your own unique referral link. Everyone that clicks on that and actually installs this application, you can start earning up to 30% of their earnings as well. So by the way, if you don't know much about affiliate marketing, this is a great way to start doing affiliate marketing and making some extra cash, an extra 30% earnings from other people's efforts, literally by them installing this application on their phone, because they're going to love it as well, because they don't have to do anything other than install an app. And oh, by the way, this app is 100% free. All the apps that we're talking about today have no sign-up fees. They're 100% free. You do not have to pay anything to get started. And there are also no hidden fees, you guys. So literally sign up, start receiving your text messages, and start getting paid. I believe these guys are paying out in all kinds of really cool methods, such as like PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, all kinds of cryptocurrencies and stuff like that. So if you guys are into cryptocurrencies, this is a great way to start collecting money doing that as well. I have other videos about how to earn free cryptocurrency, you guys. Make sure that you check that out in my videos too. Go back to my, my main channel page. Check out the videos I have on how to earn free cryptocurrencies as well. If you want to come through here, read more about this, there's a bunch more. They have a great frequently asked questions section right up here at the top. You can change the language to, whatever your language is, so that it's more easy for you to understand. But just a really cool application that I absolutely love. Alrighty, you guys, you stuck with me all the way up to this point, and now you are going to learn about my favorite application in this video that has the most earning potential, because you can earn up to $600 a year with this passive income application that literally requires you to do nothing at all other than something that you're doing every single day anyways. It's so easy, and I think you're absolutely going to love this. So before we actually do that, if you have not already done so, make sure that you smash that like button, you guys. Make sure that you've subscribed to this channel. Make sure that you hit the bell notification. That way you're notified immediately when I come out with new content. Make sure that you've dropped a comment. Say make money online. Let me know that you were here. Show some love. I always appreciate all that stuff, you guys. Like I said, it grows my channel. It helps get this information out to everyone. So let's check out this application. I know you're going to like this one. This one right here, you guys, is called Current. You can find it in the Apple App Store as well as the Google Play Store. So all Apple devices, iOS devices, as well as Android devices, you can install this application on and start earning up to $600 a year. And if you're wondering, how am I going to make money with this application? It's really this simple, you guys. You're literally just going to listen to music. And even if you don't want to listen to music, you can run the application, have it playing, and start generating income just by having this playing in the background. I don't know about you, but I listen to a lot of music. I'm always listening to music in my car. I used to pay for iTunes. I was paying like $10 a month to actually have a streaming service. You guys can actually reverse the tables on these guys, install this application, get rid of the, whatever it is that you're paying for, whether it's Spotify, Pandora, iTunes, whatever it is that you're actually paying $10, $20 a month for to actually listen to music, and actually start getting paid just to listen to music. Now, if you're wondering, oh, they probably have all kinds of, crappy stations and stuff like that, don't worry about that at all, because you can play your favorite music on this application right here. You're going to be playing music, you're going to be earning money, and then you can spend all these points on all kinds of really cool stuff, you guys. You can search from up to 100,000 plus different radio stations. So there's literally something for everybody, in this music application right here. I love at least 5 of these different radio stations, you guys. I've found 5 that I really like, and I listen to them all the time. I play it while I'm at work. That way I'm always earning points because I'm playing music anyways, so I might as well use this. So I wanted to show you just how reputable this was as well. And I also want to show you a really famous investor that has invested in this application and thinks it's worth your time as well. So looking at this in the Apple App Store, you guys, this has been rated by 15.9 thousand people and has a 4.3 star rating. You can see that right there. This is the Apple App Store. Now I want to tell you, to get 15.9 thousand ratings and have a 4.3 star rating, that means that a lot of people believe in this. They like it. They use it. It's ranked number 172 in the music category in the Apple App Store. That's still a really good rating, you guys. Really cool way just to reverse the tables and start getting paid. If you look at this over in the Google Play Store, anyone that is going to install the Android app, again, 60,782 people, almost a 5-star rating right there. Again, people absolutely love this. They're listening to music. They're getting paid. You might as well be doing this as well. Now, I wanted to show you this. If you come over here to where it says CRNC, I believe they have their own cryptocurrency and stuff that they're paying out in. And you can see if you click on this and come down here to their frequently asked questions and advisors and investors section, they're rich with experience. They have an investor such as like Mark Cuban that's investing in this and providing his expertise. And if you got Mark Cuban, a billionaire that owns the Dallas Mavericks, investing in this application, it means that it's worth your time. It's reputable, and you should come check this out. I'm not familiar with these other investors, but definitely seeing Mark Cuban on there, I thought that was really cool and unique. So I wanted to point that out to everyone. Alrighty, you guys, you've stuck with me through this entire video, and I told you at the very beginning that I was going to share with you my #1 money-making secret of how I got started making money online and how I was able to grow my own online business and how I've been able to find success so fast in just this 1 year. You guys have been at it for less than a year. I believe it's maybe been 9 months now. And I want to just give you a small glimpse of my story. I have been fumbling around for practically 15 years trying to figure out, different money-making strategies and businesses. Some of them had to do with being online. Some of them were MLM products, all kinds of different crazy stuff that never worked, that I had to go chasing my friends and family for. And I just all of it just hurt. And I just really wanted to change my life. I really want to get time back on my side. I want to be able to, quit my 9 to 5 one day and I wanted somebody that was going to take me step by step and show me exactly what I needed to be doing online to make money. You know, someone that could give me an exact blueprint and tell me exactly what I needed to be doing so I could stop fumbling around. And I just wanted to be really serious. So if you find that you're a person that's just really serious this year and you want to change your life and you want that lifestyle where you literally work from a laptop and you can work anywhere in the world and earn money, this is how you're going to do it. Check out my #1 recommendation down there in the description, you guys. That's where I got started. Within 15 days, you can have your own business up and running. There's a group of professionals that I work with that are going to reach out, help you get started, give you the advice that you need, and really take an interest in you as a person and give you honest, really, really good advice that's going to get you off on the right foot. And honestly, you guys, invest in yourself. I cannot recommend that enough. Get the right information in front of you. There's a lot of free methods out there to get started, but it's going to take you so much longer. And more than likely, what's going to happen is you're going to get frustrated and you're going to end up giving up. So I don't want to see that happen to you. This has worked for me, and I highly recommend it to you. I don't want to take up any more of your time in this video because this video has already gotten a little bit too long, but cannot recommend that enough. That is all I have for you guys today. And, once again, you guys, drop a comment, make sure that you like this video, make sure that you're subscribed, make sure that you share it. And that's all I have for you. I will see you on the next one. Make sure that you tune in. And thanks again for watching. Peace.